Hello, this is Isaac Clark in the 10 o'clock Computer Science 110 class with Mr. Wellman. And this is the project for patterns P and Q. So right over here we've got the function rect, which draws a rectangle that's filled with color C. Right here it goes through the for loop twice, or 4 times with each distance. Then this is the function that draws the P pattern, and these are the dimensions of every square that goes into the pattern. So, so the for loop goes through this, and this is a list of tuples. So it goes through and grabs each list and puts it into a line right over here, which gives it a list of tuples where and J goes through those tuples and gives a rectangle right here, the first dimension and the second dimension, and the color, which is also iterated through. There was a anomaly in the pattern on the P pattern, so that's why these are here to correct that. These conditionals. Okay. And now we have get color, which we see right up here, which has parameters pattern and side. Side being which side it's on, the first side or the second side, because it reverses the colors. And it takes which pattern it is. We have pattern P, pattern Q, and the custom pattern, and returns different colors in this list of colors. Alright, and now we have the Q pattern, which just takes S and which side it's on for the color. Get color gives it the side. And pane is a helper function for this pattern, which draws a 4x4 array of rectangles. So we draw a 4x4 array of rectangles, then draw a rectangle, and this draws the rest of that. Alright, now we have the custom pattern, which gets the colors from getColor, draws a rectangle, draws a triangle with the same size, so it's bisected. Then it draws the rest of the pattern with helper function triangle, which just draws a triangle. And I also defined a lambda, which it's not in a function, but it helps get the hypotenuse, so I'll have to type it out every time. And this is how I drew the tabs on my pattern. I had a helper function draw a tab, which draws one tab. I then had a function draw all tabs, which takes the coordinates and the degrees in which the turtle goes to and sets the heading for to draw each one of those tabs. Then we have this function here that draws just one side of the pattern. It takes a function, the size, and whichever side it's on, and it draws that function with the size and the side. Goes forward. That's a 4x4 array of patterns. Then we have the kind of the master function here that takes the starting coordinates and the size, and it's gonna pick the pen up, go to the starting coordinates, and then put the pen down. And we see the starting coordinates over here. It takes X and Y right here. It delivers that to draw all tabs. So we goes through each pattern and each side right here, and delivers each one to one side, which will draw that, and These right here are the anomaly in the pattern, because the pattern's not just a straight line. It branches out. And this is what I call the whole function. That's about it. And this is the pattern that it produces.